Today I will tell you how to make this letter poster in Canva. First, go to the uploads and drag the image you want to edit. Now resize it. After resize it, go to the elements and search for the letter you want to edit. Go to the frames and select a frame, drag it, resize it and put it in any position what you want. Now duplicate the background image and adjust it into the D frame. Double click it and adjust its size. After adjust its size, duplicate the D frame, go to the edit, move to the adjust and decrease its brightness to 0. Now go to the layers, show layers, drag it behind and now click on the D frame that is above. Go to the strokes, resize it weight into 6, change its color into white, click on the frame, adjust its image, click on the background image, go to the edit, background remover, go to the layers, crop it, download it, check this transparent background block, then download it. When it's download, drag it, okay, add page. Now change the background color of the page. Go to the edit, shadows, drop shadow, resize it. After this, duplicate it and flip the duplicate image into vertical. Now go to the elements and drag this square shape. Go to the colors, make its gradient. Now change this color into this background. First make this linear gradient. Change this color again into background color and make it transparent. Resize it. Okay, if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel.